Hey you guys. I was trying to see if someone else would knock on my door. Anyway, I'm here for a new lock style on Starter Locks. A little style I did. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Tell me if you're feeling it. You smelling it. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to come through and let you know how I did it. Tuning in. So what I did was I said, well, you know what, my hair's kind of crazy, kind of funky. So what I did, how I reached the style, I kind of just did a little something. So let me show you exactly what I did. Let me take this down. Take it down some kind of way. So anyway, my hair was looking crazy today. Okay, so I got me some rubber bands. This is the regular black ones. I ordered them off of Amazon and it came in this little cute little Ziploc little thingy. Okay, so I have you a couple of rubber bands out. So what I did was, okay, they were kind of, my hair is kind of stretched because I just undid my hair, but it was just kind of all over the place, and I'm like, well, I have to do videos today, so what do I do? So this is what I did. Okay, so basically I did slick down the edges. The edges is slicked. Didn't do my eyebrows though. I just didn't feel like it. Okay, so I said, okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna gather some of my hair, and I sweated a lot of my hair out because I've been exercising, you guys. I just started my intermediate fasting workout, so I mean just my weight loss. But anyway, so my hair sweated out from my twist out that I did. Not twist out. What did I do? A retwist in the color of my hair. Was that last week? 2 weeks ago? Well, whatever. So anyway, this is what I do. I gather my hair. Okay. You can leave some out if you want to. And I just kind of like flat twist it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I kind of just like flat twist it, right? And I kind of just go over to a certain point that I want to stop, right? I get my rubber band, and I twist it. I don't do it tight. I just, you know, do that, right? Now, like I said, I did slick it down as much as I can, but you know, it's reverting back. It's whatever, right? But anyway, then I got some hair from here, and I said, well, let me try doing a little something with this to tie this with this, if that makes sense. So I got another rubber band. And I put it around here. I didn't really flat twist it. I just kind of got it a few lots together and just put it over to the side. Okay. And then from that point on, I try to make it look halfway decent. So I might try to get some out of my face and tighten that rubber band just a little bit to have it, like if I had some bobby pins, it would be better. So I have this down in the back, slick it up as much. I don't want to put no line on gel. I just put some edge control. And so you go have some locks that just want to do what they want to do, because that's just what they go do anyway. But I just try to work it in so that it can look somewhat decent. But like if I had rubber, like if I had some bobby pins, that would really work. I don't know why my nose is running so much right now. And I just leave this side this way. And see, this side, this gonna make me mad, because then I get on camera, then all of a sudden it don't want to act. It's like it got some sense. but that little part right there would be pinned down or something, you know. So I finally got to sit down. So I just flat twist this side up, slick that down. Now, mind you, I put some slick down stuff on this about 2 or 3 hours ago. So at first it was slick, now it's kind of like fuzzing up a little bit. But you know what? This is not for the sleek and sleek, okay? This is just trying to find a decent enough style that it's just not the same thing at this length. This length is very funny, okay? It's a funny length. It's a length where you can't do a lot with, but you can try. So basically, if I tied it down, maybe I can tie it down or something like that. And I just got one flat twist going over to the side and just the regular hair in the front, or you can make it go up away from your face, whichever way. Bobby pins would help with this style, like I said, you guys, but I'm not really satisfied. But you know, it gives you a different look from the same look that I always have at this short length. So you can still do something with your hair besides it's the same look. You know, I could have pinned both sides up, you know, or you can kind of mohawk it if you want to. I'm not gonna take a chance on that right now. Maybe that's another video. It's just a small video of me doing something a little bit different with my hair. Or if you want to be funky and hot, you can do be funky and hot and have them sticking up. That's fine. Whichever way you want it to go. Whatever. Just to look a little short hairdo to the side. Sound different. Just want to stick in and just pop in real quick with this hairstyle because I did it for my videos that I was doing earlier. You know, I gotta share with y'all. If there's some hair stuff I gotta share with what to do. So that's it. That's it. I got a few more videos to do. I do have a Shein haul coming that I'm about to tape. This came from Shein off my last haul. The earrings came from Shein as well. Shein, whatever y'all want to say. I don't know. Whatever, right? And so basically that's my little hairstyle. And like I said, I will be taping a Shein haul try on today, hopefully. So you should be getting that sometime this week. Okay. Thank you for tuning in to Jere's Locs, just to see what I've been doing with this hair and what I've been trying to do with this hair. So I appreciate y'all coming through with the love. Please share my videos. Please like my videos. It helps me, helps my channel. You know, I'm starting from the bottom, but we go get to the top, okay? With y'all's help, I appreciate all the new subscribers. This channel is very new, so I appreciate the love from the bottom, okay?